This is our third video in the series on conversation cards, and today we are going to do a conversation card live, and I'm going to be the listener and Elna's going to be the talker, which means that I'm going to pick the first card right here after the three cover cards, which we've already we've gone over them in previous videos. So here is our first card. I took a card, so I am the listener, and I'm going to start with the relationship tip, which says more joy in the relationship. And then I'm going to continue by asking the three listen questions. Elna, are you ready?
Yes.
Listen question number 1. Which of these do you relate with the most? We enjoy each other's company, we laugh often enough, we don't take things too serious, or number 4, we play.
I would say we enjoy each other's company.
What are the moments in our relationship when you feel happiest or most alive?
I think when we can talk about difficult issues that's maybe rather more emotional, and we can hear one another's heart and feel heard at the end of the conversation. I think that works for me.
How can we intentionally add more fun, laughter, or lightheartedness into our relationship?
I think we can do more fun stuff, like playing board games or building a puzzle or playing cards, or just spend some time outside, sitting outside under the trees having coffee. Just do more fun stuff.
And that brings us to the end of this conversation card. How did it feel to share your heart with regards to these three questions?
It's always nice, especially if somebody doesn't interrupt you or make a comment. Just listen.
And that is all from us for today. In the next video, I'm going to be the talker on the same card.
Good.
Until then, remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.